How to change your residential address on Amazon. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. If you're also trying to change in your address on your Amazon account, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to do to successfully change the address. Either you can also change it within the mobile app of Amazon, but for this video we're going to use the website. So search for amazon.com on your web browser and then log into your Amazon account. Once you are logged in, just hover over accounts and lists and this drop down menu will open up. You will need to head over to content and devices. Once you land on the content and devices section, on the top hand side, you'll see a couple of options. You'll need to click on the preferences tab. And here you can see the country and region settings. Click on this option and click on change. Now your previous address will also be shown if you click on this box on the top, and it's going to show you the current address that you have added in. Now you can also add in multiple addresses so that you can change between them. So firstly, in this section you need to type in all of your details. Type in your address, your city, your state, your zip code and your phone number. Once you've filled in all this information, you just need to click on update. And again, if you open up this section and if you click on this option on the top, it's going to show you two addresses that you've added in. The one that is added in previously and the one that you just added in. This way you can switch between two or multiple addresses on your Amazon account. So that's how exactly you can change your residential address on your Amazon. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.